Yeezy 380 Miss, they're out. Pretty sure all your packages have arrived. I'm hoping they all arrived on time, you know, with everything that's going on. But today we're gonna review them. I'm gonna let you guys know if they're a cop or a pass and how they compare with the 350 V2s. But before we get into the video, take a second, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting the latest drop every week on my channel. And at the end of this video, if you liked it, smash that thumbs up button and peep my social media. I'm gonna leave that in the description below. Yeezy 380 Mist, they're here. I'm sure everybody got their packages by now, or packages, because let me tell you, this was an easy cop. You guys who passed on grabbing these, I don't blame you. You know, I understand that it's a hard time right now. You know, sneakers isn't the priority, but if you have the money to at least cop a pair and you're debating to get it, I'm gonna let you know right now, these shoes, they're a cop. So they retail for $230. Now that's $10 more than the 350 V2s. But I'll tell you what, these 380s are comfortable. They fit true to size. Definitely fit a lot more comfortable than the 350 V2s. You know, with the V2s, I know a lot of people are taking the insoles out. They're going a half size up or whatnot. But with these 380s, you don't got it at all. It's like a sock-like shoe like the NMDs. Colorway is okay. You know, I prefer the alien colorway that came out. Alien colorway. The alien pair that came out, but that was a Yeezy Supply only exclusive, and that was very hard to get sneakers. So the only way you're getting those are on StockX. But these, they're out there. Even now, they're still floating around the internet, and you can get them for retail. So if you want them, go online and check it out. These 380s resemble a military uniform with its digital camo print-like pattern. The bottom of the shoe is almost like a translucent brown color, and it actually offers a lot more traction. The back of the 380s are simple, with no pull tab at the back, and I don't think I could see any pull tab coming in the foreseeable future for these sneakers. Gives it a very clean look. Just check the internet, you know, Google them. Pretty sure they'll pop up. There are a lot of European websites that ship to America that still have them. So do your compare and contrast on the pricing before you go and pay over retail for these, because it's still available, and you know, they're a nice shoe. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next review.